Hi, this is Karen with WTI. Having an iPad Air has simplified my life in so many ways. I love to cook, I love cookbooks, I just don't like a lot of books in my shelf, and having them inside of this iPad has been a breeze. And I get to take them everywhere I go. I love notes, and I love the fact that I can do a handwritten note, but also I can do a text box just by using my handwriting. And this is such a great option whenever I'm writing down notes, I'm taking a class, and I need different types of text. I also love the fact that I can add an image and also edit that image. And for the ones that we love to take pictures with iPads, since the screen is bigger, we can see really clear what is it that we're taking pictures of and videos of. I love that. And that's my point of view.